Hello kids, this is Mohit Subhas. Today we are going to learn question number 2 of exercise 3.2. So let's begin to make mathematics easy. Question is, state whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, so I will tell you one thing. We will understand each one condition, each one statement fully. Okay, and after that we will decide that is true or false. So that's why I'm doing solution over here with the help of example. One by one we will solve each one. The sum of three odd numbers is even. So okay, I'm taking only one example. Three odd numbers, any numbers we can take. So odd numbers, suppose I'm taking 3 plus 5 plus 7, small number I'm taking. Okay, so 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 7, it's a odd or even, sorry, it's a odd number. Okay, one more example I'm taking. Okay, 11 plus 13 plus 17, add it. 7 3 10, 10 plus 1 11, 1 is carry, 1 1 1 1, 3 3 plus 1 41, 41 is odd number. So in each one case we are getting odd number. What? Odd number, not even number. So this statement is false. Okay, understood? Now let's solve another statement. So part B of it, the sum of two odd numbers and one even number is even. So output is even. So let's see. I'm taking example. Two odd numbers. So 11, 7 plus 11, and one is even number. So what will be the output? 7 plus 11, 18, 18 plus 2, 20. Okay, now next one example. Suppose I'm taking 13, 17, and 1 is even, so I'm taking 12. Okay, 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 2 12, 1 is carry, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. So in both the cases we have got even output, so this statement is true. Okay, now let's solve another statement. So part C of question number 2, the product of three odd numbers is odd. Okay, let's see. So I'm taking three odd numbers first. 3 multiply 5 multiply what? 1. Okay, 3 5 15, 15 multiply 1 15. Okay, now second example I'm taking. 7 multiply what? Odd. 9 multiply 11. Okay, 7 9 63, 63 multiply 11, 11 3 33, 3 11 6 66, 66 plus 3 69. So how can we identify this is odd number? After seeing last digit, this digit is odd, so that's why this number is also odd number. So it is true. Okay, so when we multiply three odd numbers, we will have output odd numbers. So let's solve another statement. So part D of question number 2, If an even number is divided by 2, the quotient is always odd. Let's see. Solution. I am taking one even number and is divided by 2. Dividing 2 4 8. It's a quotient even number. I am taking bigger one. Suppose I am taking 96 dividing by 2. 2 4 8 2 8 16. It's also even number, so it is false. Okay, children, we need to understand each one concept deeply, then we will be perfect in mathematics. Now part E of question number 2. All prime numbers are odd. Let's see. See, prime numbers means which number will have only two factors, means 1 and number itself. Number itself. Clear? For example, 7, 11. You can see only two factors. Okay? Clear? So, as we know, the smallest even prime number is 2. And here is all prime numbers are odd. So, even prime number is 2 and rest of all are odd. Okay, odd numbers. But this condition is not true. This statement is not true because we are having one even prime number. So it is false. Clear? This statement is false. Now let's solve in the statement. So part F of question number 2. Prime numbers do not have any factors. As we know, prime numbers will have only two factors, 1 and number itself. See, I am taking 13. It will have two factors, 1 and 13 itself, means number itself. So it is having two factors. This is fixed. But here is in the statement, prime numbers do not have any factors. Okay, so this statement is telling us prime numbers will not have any factors, but it is untrue. So it is false. Clear? Now let's solve another question, another statement. Part G of question number 2. Sum of two prime numbers is always even. Let's see. Two prime numbers. Odd. Wrong. Now next, let's take another one. Even. But according to first one example, it's wrong. So it is, because according to this statement, sum of two prime numbers is always even. So it is untrue. False. Clear? Now next one. Now part G. 2 is the only even prime number. Yes, this is correct. 2 is only even prime number. Even prime number. Okay, so it is true. Yeah. Now next one. Now part I of question number 2. all even numbers are composite numbers. It is not true, because 2 is a even number, okay, but not composite. Not composite. Clear? It is not composite number, even but not composite. Now next question. The product of two even numbers is always even. Okay, part G of question number 2. So see the solution. The product of two even numbers. So we are taking any two even numbers. Suppose 4 multiplies 6, 24. Okay, now let's take another number. 14 multiply 12. 12 4 48. Now 4 is carry. 12 1 1, 12 1 12, and 12 plus 4 16. It is also even number. By seeing it is a, by seeing the last digit of this number. Okay, so this is true. Clear? So this way we have completed this one question. Next video we will meet with new questions. So till then, bye children.